Hey there, thanks for stopping by, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Robbie Greer from Rusticated-Art. Now today I want to touch on a subject that's been on my mind for quite some time now, and it's all about the art, if it's an art, but it's all about doodling. Yeah, the art of doodling. Are you a doodler? Now I've been a doodler for as long as I can remember, and I used to get so frustrated because I used to think, well, how come I can sit there and do all this scribbling and yet I can't draw anything? Now I've done a little bit of research. In my research I found out that 75% of all Americans are doodlers. Yeah. Now I'm living in Australia, although I'm from New Zealand, but I've been living in Australia, and I don't know what the stats are for this part of the world, but let's assume it's about the same. So that's quite a lot of people that actually doodle. Are you one of them? And now apparently, smart people like to doodle. Yeah, apparently it's a thinking tool. And it can affect the process of information and problem solving. Yeah. Now does doodling make you draw better? Does it improve the way you draw? Now apparently artists tend to doodle more so than writers, for example, because writers tend to use words to express, they'll write down words rather than images, whereas an artist will doodle, obviously if you're practicing drawing, you're going to get better. You just have to get better, providing you're practicing in the right way. So you'll get better by practicing. Whereas I think with doodling, I think what happens there is that because you're not focused on trying to create an image as such, it's sort of a loose type of art form. And I don't know if it's sort of bordering on an abstract, because I don't really know much about that. But you're not you haven't got a reference photo, you're not working to anything in particular. But when I'm doodling, I'm not consciously thinking about where I'm going next. It's just a flow, and you just go with whatever your eyes or whatever in your mind take you. You're not consciously aware or thinking about creating something as such. Now I find that I've been doodling for a long time, as long as I can remember actually. As I said before, I used to get really frustrated because how can I sit here and scribble out something and yet I can't actually draw anything. But what I have found is that when I do doodle, I start anyway, virtually exactly the same every time. It's the same sort of a pattern. And I'll show you what I mean. Yeah, so really, I start all my doodles, and it's not a conscious thing, it's just that's how I started them every time. And then it just goes, away I go. I've never done anything, like the same, but apart from the start, of course. And I can be just sitting at the kitchen table, having a coffee, and then all of a sudden, if there's a pencil and a bit of paper or a pad nearby, I'll just grab it and away I go. I've done a whole page, like an A4. Not in one sitting though, but yeah. I just sort of go to the point where, it might be 5 minutes, it might be 10 minutes, sometimes longer. And then I think, oh, that's enough, and away I go. But it sort of relaxes me somehow. I guess because there's not a big thought process, it's just a matter of loosening up, maybe. I don't do it so much with pencils. There always seems to be a biro. I guess it's one way of practicing my shading techniques. And then sometimes I'll do this, I'll just go off on another tangent. I just wonder, is this how abstract painters go about their abstracts? Is it just something that just comes to mind, they just do it as they go, or do they put some thought into the process beforehand? I just want to know what you think. Leave something in the comments. Just let me know. I want to know if you're a doodler. What do you do? I'd love to see some of your doodles. Put them on your channel and let me know, and I'll come and check it out. Yeah, I just thought I'd put in a couple of visual effects there. I think it's a bit different. Anyway, let me know what you think. I really would like to know. It's something that's been on my mind for a long time, and it's something I do regular. I just wonder if there's anyone else out there. There must be. You're still here. Look, really, I really wanted to just to make this video because I find the art of doodling fascinating. I really do, because it's just like you don't have to even think about what you're doing. You just sit down and away you go. And because I've done it for so long, and like I keep saying, it just fascinates me and used to frustrate me as well. But since I've been actually creating my own art, I found I don't get frustrated at all. In fact, I sort of look at it as like a sort of a release of some sort. It just feels so relaxing and quite refreshing. And I also find it quite mesmerising for some reason. Even just sitting there watching me, I thought it was just different, isn't it? Now I really would like to know, is that what you do? Do you doodle as well? And does it play any part in the way that you create your art? Oh, well, anyway, there's a lot of questions. Is there any answers? Does anyone really know? All I know is there's something that I do, and I just want to know if anyone else out there is doing it as well. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I would really appreciate some comments. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, give me a like, share it around. You must have some friends out there that would like to watch it as well. Anyway, thanks. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, I've got something coming up that's going to be really interesting. You're really going to like this. I'm going to be starting my vlog. I'm looking forward to it. Alright, cheers for now.